Okay, we need to talk about Zohran Mamdani's campaign from a marketing lens and why it was so freaking successful. Honestly, it comes down to the most foundational part of marketing, and he made people feel a certain way. And what he brought and made people feel was hopeful, positive, excited. And again, if we look at this from a marketing lens, all of his branding that his team put together radiated that. It was anchored in that hope and positivity. The colors they used were really vibrant. They give off that feeling of just positivity, excitement, playfulness, along with the fonts and all just like those pieces put together in the graphics that were designed. They really were anchored in that feeling. His messaging was pretty much always incredibly positive. He said things that he truly believes, and that connected with the people that he was trying to reach, right? And they felt seen, they felt heard. They very much had that feeling of hope that their lives could get better with him as their mayor. And then even the campaign initiatives that he and his team led, that scavenger hunt in the city was genius. It not only helped people connect with the city they live in more, but it helped them connect with essentially their neighbors and brought people together. And the entirety of that entire scavenger hunt really was, again, anchored in that hope and positivity. People were connecting, they were having fun in a time that sometimes it can feel really difficult to have that joy and fun brought to life. And he was able to do that through those campaign initiatives. And listen, none of this was done by accident. This was a purposeful and strategic plan. What his team did insanely well is they married who he is as a person, his authentic kind of just essence, essentially, and paired that with how people want to feel, what they want from their mayor. And that is kind of the gap that we're all trying to fill, is really leading with that authenticity, but also making sure that we're fulfilling the needs of our target market. And his team crushed that.